Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I want to introduce you to Xdropship. They're a print-on-demand production partner with an expansive, huge catalog of products that we can customize and make available in our stores on Shopify, on Etsy, on WooCommerce, and I'll talk about ways you can kind of circumvent the direct integrations and get on other platforms in this video. But I just want to kind of show you some of the sample products that I ordered, as well as show you a little bit of what's possible, because sometimes it pays to be contrarian. I do talk about that on this channel. If everybody's doing one thing, sometimes you can make like little differences in your approach as a print-on-demand seller and reap a huge benefit, which I think may be possible with some of the products that I'm going to show you. So let's get right to it. I'm going to put a link to where you can sign up for free to join Xdropship right at the top of the description. When you sign in, they've actually been working on refreshing their website, so it looks quite nice. They recently just did a nice big update, and I'm liking the new UI. Anyways, this is what you'll see when you log in, and you guessed it, you're probably going to want to integrate one of your stores so that we get that automated fulfillment, because we don't want to be doing that ourselves if we can avoid it, right? Why bother, right? We can have software do it for us. I'm all about that. So if you've never done direct integrations, hopefully most of you have, like if you want to connect with Etsy, it's I think a 2-click process. Like you click connect here, then you click connect on Etsy's end, and I'm pretty sure there may be one more click, but it's like a 2 to 3 click process. So no excuses. You can get that done extremely quickly, extremely easily. Shopify, WooCommerce are also supported, and OrderDesk. Now, I don't know how many of you guys have used OrderDesk. A surprising number of people actually that I talked to have used OrderDesk in one way or another, but you can pretty much also push using OrderDesk. You can, in a roundabout way, connect Shopify and OrderDesk to your Amazon Seller Central, for instance, and then be able to offer these products there as well. So that's kind of an out-of-the-box way of potentially making some extra sales through Xdropship. You guys know I love selling on Amazon, and a lot of their product catalog are products you don't really see on Amazon. And the fact that you can customize them, and we're outsourcing all of this, you know, sky's the limit with what's possible. Now, real quickly, I wanted to plug my free print-on-demand mini course. It's linked in the description, and my print-on-demand Facebook group. I know a lot of you guys are already members, but if you have not joined yet, it's free. Why don't you go ahead and do that? The links are down there right underneath the Xdropship link. Now, I want to review some sample products that they sent me so I can show you the quality of what they've got going on here. And then after that, I'm going to show you, I can't show you all of their product catalog because it's huge, but I'm going to show you some ones that I think you'll find interesting. So first we have a leather jacket, and you can actually customize it in a number of different ways. So I put the Bitcoin logo on the front and the back, but I think there was like 7 different places you could customize it. Here's a similar product. It's not a leather jacket. I don't think it was a cotton jacket, like very thick, heavy cotton, keep you warm when it's cold outside like it is right now. I got the Bitcoin logos there. I did a little bit of the Dungeons and Dragons, like 20-sided dice here, all over print on a hoodie. All right, and you know, all over print, not a lot of people sell that, so don't sleep on that as an opportunity. Here's another all over print t-shirt. Very straightforward here. I used a pattern from Vexels. You can see the color came through nicely. And my favorite product of them all, we had another all over print hooded blanket. This thing is so comfy. And of course, the Chihuahuas there are loving it. Thank you to Marielle for being my model. And one quick shout out to Newer. I will link to them in the description, but they sell a bunch of video recording equipment, everything you need and more to succeed. I'll link that in the description. Now, they mentioned that they might not have the full catalog on the website yet, so they have a huge catalog on the website still, but they sent me this spreadsheet, so I'm going to kind of show you some of the featured products on this spreadsheet, and I'll also link to it in the description so you can check it out for yourself. But they specialize not only in just the standard print-on-demand products, they also help us do like personalized accessories, and what's really cool, and you can kind of see some of them here, custom metal signs. So you can do quite a bit here, really see where your imagination goes and order a sample or contact them and ask them if they can accommodate your request. I mean, they're really accessible, guys. I think you'll like it. So on the bottom of the spreadsheet, there's different tabs for different product types. So check it out here. And by the way, you can find the pricing as well. And these prices include shipping. All right, they include shipping. So this is exactly what you pay right here. You can see the custom metalwork ranges from $12 up to $70. Next, the leather jackets. Sorry, I scrolled down there. The leather jackets, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different leather jackets. You actually saw me with this first one right here at the top. It's got like kind of a cotton hood built in, so it kind of looks like you're wearing a jacket and the hoodie underneath. I don't know about you guys, but I actually like that look a lot. Typically, I do put like a jacket over a hoodie, so that's right up my alley. I got the Bitcoin one that I designed. They have custom shoes. All right. Now, this is something that there's a ton of potential for. Like, I actually recently saw a Twitter ad for some shoes, and I was like, man, they got me, you know, and they were like 40 bucks, right? So yeah, so maybe that's something worth considering. I mean, I know they got me a lot of different shoes. I actually hadn't scrolled all the way down here. There's a ton of different shoes, but they had like slip-ons, flip-flops, etc. So huge potential there. Custom shaped doormats. So not just a design on a standard size doormat, but custom shaped doormats. You can do quite a bit there, especially in the Etsy realm, offering personalization. You guys have seen me talk about the Cartoonify tool. The Cartoonify tool, you just drag, drop the image, apply a filter. I said Cartoonify. It's Cartoonize. All right, that's what it's called, Cartoonize. I can drop a link to them in the description too, in case you want to check that out, because I think that would work really well with these customizations that are possible. Different blankets and beddings. You saw me do the hooded blanket in that review. You saw Marielle with the Chihuahuas. That'll only run you about $22 to $28 depending on the size. They got quilts. They have bed sets, up to 3 or 4 piece bed sets, quilt bedding, so lots of stuff. Clothing, I'm sure there's a huge amount of options here. Basically, you know, we're pretty much familiar with the fact that you can customize everything these days. Hawaiian shirts, cloaks, so that's kind of interesting. Hooded dresses, tank tops for yoga, men's shorts, yoga pants, yoga shorts, hoodies, fleece hoodies, zip hoodies, women's v-necks. Yeah, just all over the place. They have everything possible plus more. Dresses, t-shirt dresses, actual dresses. Not really my lane, you know, I kind of stick to what I know, but there's a lot of potential there. Swimwear, different types of swimsuits too, actually. It's pretty interesting. And look at the pricing. It's ranging from like $15 to $17 for these swimsuits. So really affordable there, I would say. Definitely opportunity to sell that for 30, 35 bucks. And if you enable personalization, you can charge a real premium on places like Etsy. Home and living, they've got pet bandanas, shower curtains, tapestries, bathroom mats, rug sets, you know, basically mugs. They got mugs, colorful mugs, tumblers, sports bottles. Okay, that's interesting. So now I have a backup for my tumblers in case people like Gear Bubble take too long to fulfill them or run out of stock. That's interesting. It's always good to have a backup printer too, because you know my Gear Bubble products are already listed on Amazon. So I've already got like tens of thousands of them, but every now and then you need a backup printer. It's nice to know that they've got them. Luggage covers, even mailbox stickers, pillowcases, just everything. Towels, beach towels that you can put on the ground. Accessories, including tote bags, handbags. They also do hats. I almost forgot to mention that they sent me a hat as well. I'll show you that video here. I love selling hats. I sell hats all day, so don't sleep on hats. And these are by far the most affordable hat pricing that I've seen to date. That includes shipping, so $10 for a hat. And that includes the bucket hat or the classic dad cap, which I sell, you know, a ton of. Different types of leather bags, handbags, purses, backpacks. They have Christmas products, Christmas supplies, so Christmas dresses, stockings, ornaments, car supplies, car seat covers. I think I saw Joe Robert on YouTube. He does a lot of like Shopify print on demand stuff, and he preaches kind of selling some out of the box things that you can charge a higher premium for. So I like that idea, and I'm pretty sure he's talked about car seat covers. So check that out. Car Sentinel concert covers, license plate frames. Yeah, I mean, sky's the limit here. Face masks as well. So if people are still buying those, like you can sell a bunch of them here. You know, face masks always come with a low baseline price tag, so big potential margins to be made there. I think you can charge like 15, 20 bucks easily. So yeah, guys, so I just wanted to show you that, and I'll link to this in the description. All right, guys, so that's everything I wanted to show you for Xdropship. They are based in China, so make sure to take that into account when you set your handling time for products that they fulfill. But check them out. The link's at the top of the description. Also, guys, down there, you can find a link to my full print on demand course and my private community where I do weekly live streams and office hours. Guys, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you when? I guess Sunday. Wait, Sunday's Christmas. I guess it'll have to be, yeah, maybe I'll do top 5 niches of the week tomorrow, like a little Saturday edition. Maybe not, I don't know. But enjoy your holidays, guys.